Hey there, we are going to see the different type of lines to prepare for Japanese calligraphy. These lines are quite general, is to prepare with the ink, the brush and your wrist. Put your brush quite generously in the ink, take the overfill in the angle, try to make it a very beautiful brush with all together, and take the brush quite vertical. It should be straight, not like a pen. You can use 2, 3 or 4 finger. The other hand, take stable the paper. Don't put your wrist on the table, quite up. Your body is straight, your head over it, and I start with very straight horizontal line. There is no technique, it's just to train, just to see how is the ink, how I feel today, how it's straight, just to make some training. Continue like this, 1 paper or 2. You can make some difference with the wideness, a bit bigger or a bit finer. Just try to be straight, and that's all. I don't go too quickly. And that's it. Now we're going to do vertical one. I try to do it straight, just straight line. I try to keep the same. It's possible to move my body in the same time I move the brush. I go slowly down. And it's just a training. And the last one. Here we go. I put a little bit more ink in, and I will do some round circle. I start in, so my wrist, my body, my arm is more ready. See how is the ink? And so on. And here we go. I put the paper on our side, and I try not to put black everywhere. Here we are going to see very typical line for Kaisho. This is quite more technical. First of all, I put a lot of ink in my brush. So the first rule for Kaisho is that I have to start with 45 degrees. So I go slowly right side, and I close, and while I put up and down, and here it's the 45 degree. The horizon and the degree is around 45 for the beginning and the end of the line. It's here 45 degree. One more time. I start at 45. I go slowly on right side. I go up on the spit and close it. And 45 degree twice. It's exactly the same if I do it a little bit not that thick, but we can still see the beginning and the end are 45 degree. Also for the vertical lines, it's exactly the same. I show it here, 45, get straight, up and close it. Once again, 45 degrees, I go down, up, and then close it. Here you can see it's 45, 45, and 45 degrees. Once again, and close it. Start, go down, go up, and then close it. These are really typical Kaisho line, which is start 45 and finish 45 degree for horizontal line and vertical line. Second rules is actually to close the line. As I show you without saying, I go down and I finish to close the line. That's typical from Kaisho. You can train one paper or two or more if you want, just to do typical Kaisho line.